All right, fellas, today we're talking about making your own Viagra juice. We're talking about watermelon juice and how you can use that to just be healthy naturally. Because if you want to have that better wood, this is going to help you out. Specifically today, what we're going to do is we're going to take ginger, watermelon, lemon, and we're going to add a few extra items in there that will actually give you the boost that you need in terms of getting that power, that natural erection feeling. And hey, this is Brian, aka Uncle B, the men's performance coach with Good Wood. This is the channel for men who want to live their lives naturally and not be on that pill forever program. So if you want to get more, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and please leave a comment in the comment section. So what I'm going to do right about now is break this down till it cannot be broken anymore. All right, real quick, we're going to talk about the benefits of watermelon because it's full of citrulline, an amino acid that converts to L-arginine inside of your body. And L-arginine is a precursor to nitric oxide. That's going to help dilate your blood vessels, make them larger, and that's going to improve that blood flow. See how it all gets together? Blood flow is crucial in enhancing erections. And with the extra blood flow, you get more aroused. And also you have a better performance. Also, watermelon is like 92% water, so you get a lot of hydration going on there. It also has other health benefits. It reduces oxidative stress and improves your cardiovascular health, all in one. So let's talk about ginger real quick. That's going to help with that blood flow also. With all that blood going down to where you need it, you're getting all the nourishments and all the things that make your organs healthy. And of course, ginger can also help boost that libido. It also has anti-inflammatory properties and basically would just overall help your sexual function, including increasing your sperm quality and mobility. Very helpful if you're trying to have them kids. And when we put the lemon in there, we got some benefits going on with that because that lemon is going to help lower cortisol levels. And of course, you got the antioxidant side of it. You get the vitamin C, and this also helps with sperm quality and mobility, along with helping with that cardiovascular. All of that, plus it detoxifies you. And oh yeah, we're going to go ahead and throw in some water, and water is really important because over half of the population is chronically dehydrated. That should not be you, because that dehydration is going to lead to fatigue, lack of energy, and lack of the ability to, you're going to be too tired. And it's going to also help with the sperm as well. And when it comes to transporting those hormones where you need it, getting that testosterone to where you need it, because the bursting and burning of testosterone is what fuels an erection, water is going to help those hormones get to where it needs to go to. So what are the ingredients in this wonderful thing? We're going to start with 2 cups of watermelon cubed. We got ginger here and we're going to grate that. And just a half a cup of water and the juice of a lemon. Basically what we're going to do is take the water and the watermelon and the little zest of the ginger, and we're going to have that in the blender. And of course, add in the lemon. Combine all of that and voila, you have a drink that's going to nourish your entire body, get your circulation going, get your testosterone going, get the blood flow going. It's a wonderful thing. All of this is just a refreshing way to help improve your sexual functions. And if you want to find out more about this and other recipes, go over to givegoodwood.com, where we have not only that, we have courses, we have the men's performance quiz, supplements, coaching, and much more. Everything to help you get better right now. So go to givegoodwood.com, leave your comments in the comment section below so you can get your mug. And this is Uncle B saying get your game up and go hard. Peace out.